This is the unboxing and review of AGARO Desktop Fan Alpha with light. It is excellent solution to beat heat in personal level at the time of power cut. This powerful but ultra quiet fan comes with energy efficient BLDC motor with 4-speed setting and with 120-degree oscillation. Noise is less than 20 dB even in the high speed mode. This fan has also reading light of 3 intensity settings. So, if you are finding out premium portable energy efficient desktop fan, then this is the right video for you. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This is the box pack of AGARO Desktop Fan Model Alpha with 4-speed setting and 120-degree oscillation. It comes with 1 year warranty with 6 months extra warranty with online registration within 30 days of purchase. This fan comes with 4000 mAh massive battery with 4 watt power rating. MRP written 3999 but got the product at 1700 around. Now let's quickly unveil the product. Box pack contain total 4 items. This is user manual cum 1 year limited warranty card inside it. You can see here. Now USB A to USB C data cable for charging. Extended warranty registration card. Let's look at the white color fan with AGARO branding. Now carefully look at the back side of the fan. The fan face can be adjusted or tilted 90 degree up and down. You can see here. Do it carefully at the time of adjustment. The bottom of the fan contains 5 circular anti-skid base with AGARO branding. The front cover of the fan can be opened by anti-clockwise rotation for cleaning purpose when it is needed. Can you see energy efficient BLDC copper motor here? After the completion of the cleaning of the fan blade, you can cover it by the cover by rotating it in the clockwise direction. There are total 3 click switches. From the left side, first this is light, then swing button, then on off and speed setting button. Now let's switch on the fan by clicking on the on off button, and it is showing that fan has been started with the first mode and 75% of battery is there. Clicked once again for second mode. This is the third mode, fourth mode. And once again, if you click on the switch on off button, it will be switched off. Now let's feel the wind speed by these paper strips. First mode, second mode, third mode, then fourth mode. Now let's switch off it. Swing button can be operated when the fan already in switched on mode. Then click on the swing button. It starts swing from left to right or right to left with a span of 180 degree angle. To stop the swing or oscillation of the fan, you have to once again click on the swing button at any stage of rotation where you want to stop the swing. Now let's learn how to operate light on this fan. Light can be operated with or without the fan. Click on the light button once again to enter into the second mode of light intensity. This is third mode. Now you can see fan and light both already in switched on condition. You can separately operate, control light as well as the fan speed. You can see here. So you can operate at a time only fan with different speed mode, only light with different intensity, and both at same time. According to your wish, you can operate it. Now I'll show you reading light is sufficient for reading newspaper or any book at night. The fan can be charged up by power bank and it will take 4 hours 30 minutes to full charge. Now the question is that will it be a worth buying product at the price range of 1700 rupees? My straight cut and brief answer is yes, but it has some drawbacks also. I will discuss all these drawbacks in the later period of time. The fan lasts 5 hours in high speed and 3 hours in ultra high speed mode. So you can operate this fan longer period of time because it has a massive battery. Manual up down tilting will be 90 degree and left right oscillation will be 180 degree. This is one of the attractive feature of this fan. Along with 4 adjustable speed mode, the fan has also adjustable LED light with 3 intensity. This is also a attractive feature of this fan. Now, few cons. In this price range, company has given a lot, but still we have seen some drawbacks. Fan diameter is only 6 inch. In this 30 cm scale, you have seen that this is 6 inch and here it is nearly about 15 cm. So this fan is limited to a single person only. This fan can be tilted in the upward direction properly, no problem at all. But if you tilt down, then it is not possible. This is only these portions only it will be tilted in the downward. It would have been better if it has more lower tilting like that. We are not comparing with the second product, but we are telling that it would have been better if these features also with this. According to my opinion, the second one is compact and portable also. AGARO is also portable, but this, as it is not compact, so you cannot carry properly and there is a chance of breaking of the parts. Thank you.